When most beginners start their UPSC journey, what does their first month look like? Most of you start with polity and pick up Lakshmikant. Based on toppers analysis who says that notes are essential, you start making notes in the beginning of your preparation itself. And with full of energy, you write everything considering that each and every information is vital for the exam. But after some time, when fatigue sets in, you realize that you are writing a second handwritten Lakshmikant book. And this demotivates and derails your complete preparation. This is the number one issue which most of the students face. Now, to resolve this issue, I am coming up with a webinar on 5th of April at 5 p.m. where we'll be talking about effective note-making skills. We'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of note-making. Secondly, how you should be preparing your notes so that they become handy and useful during exam conditions. Third, I'll be providing you a ready-to-use template which you can use directly to make your own notes. Now, if you want to attend this session, the link is given in the description and the details are available on the screen. So do register now.